Kung hei fat chai, tama ba? Anyway, dahil Chinese New Year, magluluto tayo ng isang Chinese-inspired dish. Sa ating trip sa Binondo, gagawa tayo ng Miswa. Usually kasi, pag Miswa, alam nating lutuin, may sardinas. Ito medyo iba yung gagamitin natin kasi we bought some ingredients from Binondo and we are using now yung hibi, yung dried shrimp, yan, which I soaked in water, and yung shiitake mushrooms. I will just prepare my ingredients. So ito, yung mushrooms ko, you have to soak it in water to rehydrate. Ibig sabihin ng rehydrate para maging moist siya and tender ulit, no? Yan. So, I just cut it into strips. Yan. Ako naman, you can also buy fresh shiitake mushrooms, pero ako, I prefer the dried kasi mas mabango siya, no? Mas malasa. You will julienne, di ba? So, ibig sabihin ng julienne, cut into strips, ganyan. So, ito yung gagawin ko dito. I'm going to heat up my pot. So, parang 1 pot lang yung gagawin natin ngayon. Yung onions ko, gagawin ko, I'm going to saute it, no, with a little oil. I want to brown my onions. So, oil and my onions are ready. Meron akong ginger. And again, I will julienne. Very thin. Kung gusto mo yung ginger mo, hindi masyadong yung mabalhibo or fibrous, what you do is you choose the young ginger, no? Konting garlic. Okay, just smash the garlic. Yan, and chop. My pot is already hot. I will just fry the onions. So, the onions, what I want to do here is I will brown the onions to add more flavor, no? So, gusto ko medyo tostado ng konti yung aking onions because I will also use it as a garnish, as a topping for my soup. Move it around. Pero, garlic cooks faster than onions also, di ba? So, kasi mas watery yung onions natin. I also know that while sauteing my onions, the flavor will be infused in the oil. So, later on, when I cook my soup, meron na siyang onion flavor. Yan. And I will put it aside. Nice onions. Put it aside, yan. For my garnish later. So, I just saute my ginger, my mushrooms. Yan. And I will add my hibi. Light lang na hibi. O, di ba? Yan, konting hibi lang. For flavor, saute. Bubuhayin lang natin yung mga essential oils ng ating ingredients para lumabas yung flavor niya. And I will add my chicken stock. Yan. Yan, ganyan. Chicken stock. I can also use the water from soaking the mushrooms. Yan. So, let that wait until it comes to a boil. Cover my pot. And kumulo na yung ating sabaw. Yan, look at that. Ang bilis lang, no? And we add our Miswa noodles. Miswa noodles and season with patis. Pwede din asin, pero I like to use patis kasi it's more malinamnam. I will add my spring onions, no? Kasi I cut it na pahaba. It has to be tender. Ayaw kong kumain ng hilaw na ganun kalaki. Hindi pwedeng wala tayong black pepper. Freshly cracked black pepper. Very satisfying to start your meal. Cook the miswa for a minute. Yan, wag naman natin i-overcook. Dapat kainin agad or else the noodles will absorb all the water and pagdating sa'yo, para na siyang lugaw, para na siyang congee. So, immediately, naka-ready na yung mga kakain. Serve my miswa noodles. Cooks very quickly. Ang nipis niya, oh. Very nice. As it sits on your bowl, it will continue to absorb all the liquid. Yan. And our soup. And we put our fried onions on top. And here it is. Ating very simple, ma-discarded dish for our New Year celebration. Kaya happy ang ating Chinese New Year today with our recipe, Miswa with mushrooms. Kaya nyo itong gawin sa bahay dahil simple!